Hello everybody, I'm Rusty Nelson, for those of you that haven't met me out here on YouTube land before, and I'm doing this from my gallery here in Kennett Square, PA. So if you're ever in the area, I always say please drop by and stay. How about say hello? I'd really appreciate it and probably be a lot of fun talking with you. This is going to be a video that's just a little different than most of them. I was going through and cleaning out my hard drives, and I came across some old GoPro video that I had that I just couldn't bear to throw out. And the reason is because this was one of my favorite places to go shoot. In fact, it's probably one of the first places that I ever traveled to go shoot. And it's just outside of Las Vegas. In fact, if you're going to WPPI, you may want to schedule a day or stay a day to go here and go see it. I know there's a lot of tours that go on during WPPI. Any case, it's not the most perfect video. It's kind of pieced together for some GoPro, but like I said, I couldn't bear to throw it out. I'll throw in some of the images that I've actually taken there so you can see those. But anyway, let's get to it. Take a look. It's kind of for informational purposes only, and I hope you enjoy it. And I'll jump on here when need be to kind of piece things together. Anyway, let's take a look.
As many of you know, my main mantra, I guess, is my camera is my best excuse for adventure. And today we're going on a little adventure, a photographer's paradise, I'll call it, on a little trip to a town 42 miles outside of Las Vegas. Now I'm giving you a little hint as to the name, and no, it's not named after me, and no, this is actually not the real name, but it's just a couple miles down the road. So let's get going and I'm gonna take you there. Yep, that's the real name. It's not actually Nelson, it's just down the road. But Bobby and Tony bought this place about 23 years ago, and they actually built this place up. And Tony is a professed hoarder, and he's put a lot of this stuff together. So what I'm gonna do is just give you a quick run around and check this place out. So it might be some place that you wanna create your own adventure. Bobby and Tony are pretty lax about everything, but all they ask is that you have respect, and if you touch something or move it, you put it right back where it is. We're upstairs in the one spot, and I'll take you to some really cool places at the house. But if we look right across, actually there's Bobby. So they live right on premise. Say hello, Bobby. Good morning. And this is their kingdom. Prove my point that you can walk just about anywhere. I'll take you inside this one. Most places that you go to, you have to have a guide or you have to have somebody with you. And this what makes it so cool about doing photography here is the fact that you can just about go anywhere. So like I said, early in the morning, and you can come up here, plenty of places to sit, obviously. How about coming by in the morning? Fry up a couple eggs, yeah. Sit by the fire. Take a look out and enjoy the sunrise. Or 2 seconds later, you could be coming over to enjoy, whoops, almost fell down. Enjoy your morning coffee, watching the news. And you could get your hair did. Only about 50 years ago. Now I could be here all day showing you places, and this is actually like I said, just one place, one building, and there's many of these buildings. But I'm going to take you now to someplace that's kind of cool, and you're actually not allowed to go down here, but I got special permission. And it's across the street and a little short walk down the road. But they also give mine tours, which are great. You gotta schedule them ahead of time. Or if you come here and you can talk them into it and you have at least 4 people to go on the tour, they're real cheap, but it's a lot of fun. It's lit and well worth it. But we're gonna go back there. I'm gonna show you the mine entrance, and we'll stop by on the way down to part of an old movie set. So these are the signs. When you see these, you've got to kind of obey them. You can get permission sometimes to come down into this area to shoot, as I have for this. Right behind me is one of the areas that people love to shoot at, whether it be weddings, bringing models up here, classes. Light painting at night is great right around here. They ask that you don't climb on this airplane, but there's actually a history behind this. So when you go in to check inside, make sure you ask them to play the video for you so you can see how this airplane got here. All kinds of objects left over from the old mining days. These giant rock tumblers to small picks and lanterns, all kinds of equipment. Your mind and your camera can go absolutely crazy around here. We're almost to the mine entrance, 2 steps away. Yep, here's the signs, and once again, you really want to pay attention to these signs because you may think that they're a joke, but they're not. And like I said, people live in some of these places, so you have to be respectful. Well, here's the mine, and wherever you look, it seems like they're pieces of history, mining, and if you're lucky enough to be here when they can give you a tour of the mine, it goes, and there's actually about 3 miles down there. You can feel the cool, fresh air coming out of here, which is really great for this mine and the tours. But as you go back there during the day when they're giving you the tours, it's actually lit. So the whole thing is lit, and you just go back there, and it's the local people who give you the tour, the owners. But it's a lot of fun. You have to schedule it, and it's actually pretty cheap. So you may want to come a little early before you start shooting and go on a tour if you can schedule it ahead of time. Okay, say hi.
Hi.
So now we're inside the building, and I'm not going to show you what's in here, but you definitely have to check inside here and ask them to show you the video of the airplane. As you can see, there's so much stuff in here. I'll let you come in and see it yourselves. But I'm not going to show you what's around this door. I'll let you figure it out yourself when you get here. But anyway, these guys are really friendly. Stop in, check in with them if you're going to shoot. Otherwise, walk around and have a great time.
Hey everybody, thanks a lot for stopping by. I really appreciate it. Hope you enjoyed that bit of patchwork right there. If you could, you know the game, please go ahead and subscribe. It really helps us out, and give it a thumbs up. I realize it wasn't a top-notch video or anything, but it does give you an idea of what Nelson the Ghost Town, or to hatch up what it's all about. And if you get a chance to go out to Las Vegas, go ahead and schedule some time there. It's a lot of fun. Anyway, thanks a lot for subscribing. Thanks a lot for pushing the button. And if you use any of the affiliate links down below, I really thank you a lot. And until next time, I'll see you later. Hey, if you're ever in Kennett Square, please stop by the gallery. It'd be a lot of fun to talk cameras, drones, or whatever. Bye.